Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your phone by color. If your phone currently looks like this, disorganized, lost, and you'd like it to look more organized like this, then watch this tutorial where I show you how to organize your phone by color. Alright, so step one to organize our phone by color, we need to decide what we want our background to be. I'm going to change mine up here. So let me show you real quick how to change your background on your iPhone. Go to settings, to settings, search wallpaper. It'll pull up your wallpaper settings. Choose a new wallpaper. You can choose from these different dynamic ones. Those are the ones that have a little bit of movement to them. Or you can make one of your photos your wallpaper. I'm choosing to go ahead and do this blue and black one because I think it looks cool. Set that. Set home screen. Okay, so there we go. Now I've got this dynamic moving dot wallpaper that looks kind of cool on the background. Okay, so first set your wallpaper however you want to set it. Now when we organize by color, some people this might drive crazy. This is more for aesthetics reasons. This is more for if you just want it to look cool as opposed to functionality. I typically have tried to organize mine by functionality, but I'm going to try this out and see how it looks, so I'll show you how to do this here. Now just be aware that if you organize by color and you can't find an app because you don't have it in categories anymore, you can do what I do all the time anyways. You can scroll down and search whatever app you're looking for. That's how I find my apps anyways. I don't go to the folders. Alright, so let's start organizing by color. I've already started this one here. This one's going to be my red folder. Now when you organize by color, it's a good idea to name your folder something that kind of looks cool. So I just decided to do colored dots for each folder, and so I got a red dot. Let me show you real quick so you can name your folders appropriate where I found these red dots. Okay, so I went to emojipedia.org. okay, emojipedia.org, and you can just search for the color. So then on emojipedia.org you can search whatever you want. I decided to just do colored circles. You can click on the emoji you want, click copy, and then come over to your home screen, and any of your folders, when you click on it and hold, it will pop up this menu giving you the option to rename it. So now I can rename it by just pasting that icon. Okay, paste that icon, click away. Now I've named it that icon. So that's how I'm going to organize my folders. Now the next step is I start looking at all the icons and I organize them by color so that it looks cool. Alright, so this is my red folder. I'm going to look for any icon that is reddish. So right here, this one's going to come in to there, and this one could go into the red one or it could go in the yellow one. Let you decide what you think, what colors you want to place together. Okay, so that's my red app, or my red folder. This one's going to be like my teal, turquoise, green type folder. Click and drag all of the icons that match that color. See if there's any more on this page. This one's kind of similar to that. Grab that guy. In case I didn't make this clear, to move your icons around, you click on an icon, hold it, and it will make your icons shake. This is also how you delete icons. Now you can click and drag and move any icon anywhere on your home screen. Alright, if you want to move it into an existing folder, you can do so, like that. Or if you want to make a new folder, you click and drag one icon on top of the other icon, hold it for half a second, and it will create a new folder. Alright, to exit out of the icon rearranging mode, I don't know what you call it, where it's shaking like this, you just click your home button and it will stop. Alright, so now I'm going to play this part in fast forward, and you feel free to fast forward to the rest of the end of the video. But basically, we're just going to now go through and take all our icons and organize them by color. So rather than making you watch this in regular speed, I'm going to play it in fast forward, and when it finishes, I'll come back and show you the finished work of art. Okay, so now you see mine is organized. Got a bunch of messages in some of my apps I need to go through, but mine is now organized by color, and it's all on one page. So go ahead and have fun with that. Organize yours by color, or check out some of these other videos with other different ways to organize the apps on your phone.